How did you find my channel though? Like, because no one else finds it. How did you find it?
Okay, so this is Parabi and Mr. Shudip and me. We are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. Recently, our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page SEO problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow. So if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
How did you find my channel though? Like, because no one else finds it. How did you find it?
Okay, ma'am. We have lot of tools to find our targeted client, and we pick that type of channel which has possibility to grow on YouTube. So we have lot of tools to reach us our client.
I guess I just what is the cost for your program or your pro? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So basically, we will optimize your video title, tags, and descriptions, and we will research high volume rank tags for your videos. And when we fixed all of the SEO problem, then your channel start to growing. And for SEO, we have two packages. One is starter, and another is standard. In our starter package, we'll optimize your 10 video SEO title, tags, and description optimizations, and it costs $120, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video and it takes 30 days to deliver the work, and it costs $300. So now it's your choice which package you want to start with.
So with the startup video, what does it include again?
Okay, it's included. We will optimize your video title, we will optimize your video descriptions, and we will research high volume ranked tags for your videos. And we will upgrade your video SEO score, and we also research your competitors. What should improve on your channel? We will suggest you, and we will assist you also improving your YouTube video thumbnail.
The thumbnail.
Yeah,
So
and
you'll look at my old videos and do this, or with new videos.
we can do both if you want. If you want, we can do SEO for your upcoming videos also, and we also can do your already uploaded video also.
Which one is better? Which one to choose?
Newest one better.
So I really don't understand what the SEO thing is. I hear a lot about it on different YouTube channels. What exactly is SEO?
SEO means search engine optimizations. Search engine optimizations means if you want to rank on YouTube or Google, then you have to do some optimizations. Like you have to research your title as a SEO friendly. You have to optimize your descriptions as a SEO friendly, and you have to research high volume rank tags. High volume rank tags means which tag has high search volume but competition is low according to your niche. That type of tags we have lot of tools. We will research for you, and we have a lot of paid tools also. So we will use that type of tools for researching high volume rank tags. And when you fixed that type of problem, then your video will go on top. When someone searches regarding to your keyword, then your video will go on top and you will get more organic views and subscribers.
Okay. So let me just search around inside of your website first, and then I can just send you an email and say I want to get started.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at your YouTube channel and see because the price isn't bad. I mean, for what people are charging for this stuff. So yeah, because I do want to grow. I started just recording videos, trying to teach myself how to edit and stuff like that, and that's not easy because I'm not a technical person. So um yeah. So let me just look at that and then I'll reach back out to you, if not by the end of today, tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good. No problem. So, no problem. You research about it and let us know. But I think you would be satisfied because it would be very pleasure for us if we can grow your channel and if we can working with you, because we believe in long term relationship. If I provide you the better service today, then you will hire us for the next day. We believe it. So I think if you take at least our starter package and charge our work, then you would be satisfied.
Okay. And how long is the startup package for?
Starter package, it takes 7 days to deliver the work.
Oh, 7 days. So
Yeah.
I just pay you the money and you look at my future videos?
Yeah, you will send us 10 video links. Which 10 video you want to do SEO? In starter package included 10 video SEO optimizations for 7 days.
Okay.
And for starting the work, we have two methods. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your 10 video links to us. Then we'll optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we'll hand over to you, and then you just implement to your videos by yourself.
So I will have to just create the video and do all the editing and then send it to you.
Yeah, you just
And
you
I don't
just
put a description or anything.
you just upload it and keep it unlisted, and then send link to us. Then everything will optimize.
So I won't make my own title. You guys would do that?
You just put your normal title. We will research better title for from you.
Okay. So I'll do it like normal and just
Yeah,
send it to you,
yeah.
but leave it unlisted.
Yeah.
Okay.
So thanks for your time, and hope to work with you for a long time. And our payment system is when you hire us, you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. No problem. And for getting payment, we have lot of payment gateway like Remitly, Western Union, Payoneer. But PayPal is not supported in our territory. But if you do not know how to pay through this payment gateway, no problem. Our team member will guide you.
Okay.
Okay. So
All right.
thanks again, and hope to work with you for a long time. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.